We're on site here in New Limerick, Maine, taking a look at a log cabin that's under construction. Here's the front side of it. There's going to be a full farmer's porch on the front. The homeowner started with the Musquash and expanded upon it, making it 24 by 42. And the original footprint of the Musquash is 20 by 32. We'll take a walk around the building here and show you all the sides. We got one full log gable up. We'll be working on the other one here shortly. Just got a couple of windows on this end. Here's the back side. They're going to have a set of sliding glass doors coming out the back. This is going to be a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and open kitchen, living room, dining room area, all on the first floor. And then upstairs will be 2 open lofts that will be connected by a catwalk. We've got one more side here to check out. This side here, they just have a couple of windows. We'll get a closer look here of the corners. This is a button pass corner system, so the logs alternate past one another. So there you have it. And this is the side that they're going to be starting the other gable on here shortly. Be sure to follow along as we continue to photograph this project and take videos of it. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-341-1566 or visit our website at wardcedarloghomes.com. Thank you.